So by default, what you have over here and what you see is the default template that's being used, which has its own transition and its own way of presentation, as you can see right here. But if you want to change out the template, then you can go around onto the top right hand corner where you can see the 3-dot button right here called More Actions. So once you go around over here, you can see Choose Template is an option. And if you were to click on this, then what happens is that you can choose from a various range of templates, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and select this template out. And you can see that this is how the template looks. You can click over here and you can see the transition for this particular template, and the text appears accordingly for this template right here. And the full screen is different for this one, as you can see right here. So the different transition is applied. So let me just go around onto Choose Template and select something else. And over here for this, you can see that it is different. You can click over here and there's this template right here. So you can go around over here onto different views right here, as you can see, and this is how it looks. So you can go around, change around the template according to how you want, so that the presentation becomes the way you want right here. So if I were to choose this, this is what you have. So you can click around over here and you can see that the template changes out right here. There's different transition for all of the templates right here and different backgrounds applied to it as well. And that is how you can choose out different templates to be applied to your Prezi video presentations. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.